just make your hair look all good like that.
Hey you guys, it's me, Lashay, and I am back with another video. So as you can see, I straightened my hair again. Well, I don't really straighten my hair often, but I did something different this time. I actually straightened my hair with Petroleum jelly. Yeah, I did. I used DAX Pressing Oil, and its main ingredient is petroleum. And you guys, can I just say I'm in love with the results? Like, yeah. Okay, I was kind of scared to do this because I thought it would like weigh my hair down. My hair is actually pretty flowy, so it did not weigh my hair down because I used a little bit for each section. One thing I can say, I would not recommend using this if you have very thin and fine hair, because then it probably would weigh your hair down. With me, being that I have like very thick and coarse hair, I find it okay because I actually want something to weigh it down just a little bit. But I did a lot of research on the benefits of using petroleum jelly for your hair, and I didn't see anything wrong with it. What I got from it was that it makes sure that nothing leaves your hair, basically make sure that nothing gets in. So that's what I needed. I'm very happy with the results, y'all. So let me get the product and show y'all exactly what I use. Alright, so here is the product that I use. It is the DAX Pressing Oil. Main ingredients is petroleum, and then it has like some coconut oil in it, and then it has I want to say castor oil. Is that what this is? Yep, castor oil, castor seed oil, and then some fragrance. Oh man, I'm loving this. Loving it so much. Like, yes, honey, yes. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, stay tuned. And yeah, hope you enjoy the video. Alright, that is it, you guys. Thanks for watching this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you all on my next video. Bye.
Now let me see that natural hair do.
Show me what that natural hair do.
What it do, show me what it do.
Now let me see that natural hair do.